Language.
Listen and repeat.
I'm sorry I'm late.
That's okay.
How do you spell mother?
M-O-T-H-E-R. May I go to the bathroom?
Of course. Please hand in your homework.
Yes, Ms. Apple.
I'm sorry, I forgot my book.
That's okay. Use mine.
I don't understand. Can you explain that, please?
All right.
Can I borrow a pencil, please?
Sure, here you are.
Please turn to page 32.
What page? 32.
What's the answer, Annie?
I'm sorry, I don't know.
It's recess. Let's go. Just a minute, I'm coming.
Can you help me, Miss Apple?
Sure.
Whose turn is it?
It's yours.
Do you remember?
Listen and point.
Number 1.
I'm Annie. This is Ted.
We're 13.
I'm Digger. I'm 5.
Number 2.
I'm reading.
I'm drawing.
I'm eating.
Number 3.
Red is my favorite color.
Blue is my favorite color.
Number 4.
We live in Sunnyvale.
It's a nice place.
Number 5.
I have a sister.
I don't have a sister.
I have a sandwich.
Number 6.
What time is it?
It's 8:30. Oh no, we're late.
It's time for English time. Roo, roo.